Welcome everyone to the World Time 24 YouTube channel. Here you'll find the latest news and informative educational content, all in one place. In today's video, we'll be talking about a group of 6 women that includes Gayle King and Katy Perry blasted off on a historic all-female commercial spaceflight for Blue Origin. Blue Origin's New Shepard rocket-carrying astronauts Aisha Bowe, Amanda Gwynn, Karen Flynn, King, Perry and Lauren Sanchez lifts off from Launch Site 1 on April 14, 2025, in Van Horn, Texas. Blue Origin's mission NS-31 is the first all-female astronaut crew since 1963. Blue Origin launched an all-female crew, Aisha Bowe, Amanda Gwynn, Karen Flynn, Gayle King, Katy Perry and Lauren Sanchez, April 14, 2025. From Texas. Blue Origin's New Shepard rocket lifts off from Launch Site 1 on April 14, 2025, in Van Horn, Texas. Blue Origin's New Shepard rocket-carrying astronauts Aisha Bowe, Amanda Gwynn, Karen Flynn, Gayle King, Katy Perry and Lauren Sanchez lifts off from Launch Site 1 on April 14, 2025, in Van Horn, Texas. Blue Origin's New Shepard rocket lifts off. Blue Origin's New Shepard crew capsule returns to Earth following a launch from Launch Site 1 on April 14, 2025, in Van Horn, Texas. The entrance to Blue Origin's Launch Site 1 ahead of the mission NS-31 launch on April 14, 2025, in Van Horn, Texas. Jeff Bezos embraces Lauren Sanchez as she comes out of the capsule in which she, pop star Katy Perry, journalist Gayle King, and other participants landed back on Earth after blasting off into space on a Blue Origin rocket. As part of the New Shepard mission NS-31, marking the first all-female flight crew in more than 6 decades in West Texas, U.S., April 14, 2025, in this screen grab taken from a video. Pop star Katy Perry and journalists Gayle King, Lauren Sanchez, who is also billionaire Jeff Bezos' fiancée, and other participants, blast off into space on a Blue Origin rocket as part of the New Shepard mission NS-31, marking the first all-female flight crew in more than 6 decades in West Texas, U.S., April 14, 2025, in this screen grab taken from a video. Gayle King, Katy Perry and Lauren Sanchez will be the next celebrities to join others who have been to space. Customers around the world. To achieve that goal, the company has begun building a constellation of satellites linked to a global network of antennas, fiber and internet connection points on the ground. That endeavor officially began in April with a mission known as Kuiper Atlas 1, KA-01, named both for the Kuiper satellites and the Atlas V rocket that delivered them to low Earth orbit. The famous Atlas V rocket is developed and operated by the United Launch Alliance, ULA, a launch service provider that is a joint venture between Boeing and Lockheed Martin. Once again, the Atlas V will be equipped with 5 solid rocket boosters for added liftoff power in addition to its main booster to accommodate the heaviest payload it's ever flown. For that reason, there's a chance people in states well beyond Florida could see the launch vehicle soar into the sky. Following liftoff, the rocket will deploy the satellites at an altitude of 280 miles above Earth. The satellites then autonomously use their electric propulsion systems to ascend to 392 miles high, where they can orbit Earth once every 90 minutes, according to Amazon. That's also around the time when Amazon's Project Kuiper team takes control from an operations center in Redmond, Washington. Operating in what's called low Earth orbit, an altitude that allows for things like satellites to circle Earth fairly quickly, helps reduce latency and connectivity issues during video calls, gaming, and streaming. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. For more informative and up-to-date content, make sure to subscribe to World Time 24 and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.